In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ClickUp API and generate your API key. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate ClickUp with other tools, or just curious about expanding ClickUp's functionality, this tutorial is just for you. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the ClickUp website. It's the everything app for work, so head over to clickup.com. Once the homepage is loaded, you'll notice the familiar user-friendly interface. Next, you need to log into your ClickUp account. Simply locate and click on the Login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the login page where you have several options to access your account. For this guide, we'll be signing in using Google, so click on the Sign in with Google option. This is a seamless way to access your account if it's linked with your Google profile. You'll need to select your Google account if you have multiple. Just choose the account linked to your ClickUp and you'll be directed to your workspace dashboard. Now that you're logged in, focus your attention on the top left corner of the screen. Here you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This drop-down menu provides quick access to various personal and account settings. From the menu, find and click on Settings. Once in the Settings area, search for the ClickUp API section. Click on it to proceed. This is where you'll start the process of creating your API app. In the ClickUp API section, you'll see an option that says plus create an app. Pressing this button will initiate the creation process. Now it's time to name your app. Choose a descriptive and easily recognizable name, especially if you plan on managing multiple integrations. Next, you'll have to add redirect URLs. These are essential for ensuring your app communicates correctly with ClickUp and other integrated platforms. Make sure to enter the correct URLs to avoid any potential issues later on. Once you've filled in these fields, click on the Create App button at the bottom of the page, and there you have it. Your app is now created and your API key has been generated. You can click on the code area to copy your API key. Keep this key safe as it's crucial for connecting and accessing ClickUp programmatically. Congratulations! You've successfully created a ClickUp API app and generated your API key. These steps empower you to integrate ClickUp with other tools and automate tasks, taking your productivity to the next level. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.